I live in St. Petersburg, which is about 30 minutes from here. It's very quiet, secluded, but also close to everything. And I love it. I love Fort Myers in Portland too, but when I wanted to have a cheeseburger at 9:30 and everywhere shut down, that would be the frustrating part. My parents were in Cape Coral, which is at 4 o'clock, everybody gets their happy hour and it's straight to bed. Yeah. That's the way it is. It's terrible.
Anamu Bay.
The rumor is it's built on an Indian burial ground, which protects Tampa. Now, I don't know if there's any truth to that or not, but I do know they haven't had a major named storm in like 100 plus years.
Yeah, that's why I was thinking. We're right in the narrow, actually. Where our house is at. So far, we don't have to worry about it.
Took down the blue page, but me and just not screen
Those are easy enough to replace, more of annoying than anything else. I went to a Bucks Eagles game this year, which was actually my first ever NFL game. And it was a lot of fun. Got to see the Eagles win. I go to a lot of concerts there. It's a very nice concert venue. I go to a lot of the Lakewood games. It is very nice. And you can sit up in the 300s. I mean, they're nosebleed seats, but you can get it for 40 or 50 bucks. I think they're playing the Bruins tonight.